All right, welcome to another episode of Catching Donks. We're all catching donks. On this episode, we're gonna fish our smallmouth and see how we do. Supposedly there's some big smallmouth here, so stay tuned on that. And as always, this person right here found and beat the skunk. If one of you find the skunk, tell me in the comments below where you found the skunk, and you'll get a chance to get shot in the next video. All right, let's catch some fish. Out here, searching for some big smallmouth bass. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. Feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Plan at least a couple of fish before the day ends, and then tomorrow morning I'm probably gonna be fishing all day long tomorrow. The old trusty. Gonna be throwing this here. Vision 110. Regular. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, I'm noticing that. I want to hit the slack water. Are you doing aggressive?
No, I'm doing really slow walking.
Biggin. Got a nice one here. I'm gonna give it some line. Got a nice one. Nice. Gordita. She's a fatty. Beautiful fish, man. Gonna release her. She's gone. Biggin. That's a beast. I gotta net this one. Jesus, this one was big. Oh my God, dude. Let's weigh her. I gotta see this.
Oh, that's over 6.
It's a monster. 535. That got bumped. Got one. So spinnerbait is it. Got a little guy. Little guy here on a spinnerbait. See if we get another big one here. Two in a row with the spinnerbait. They like this spinnerbait. Glad I brought it. He's put slack in the line, dude. That was so sick. Look at the little guy, but he choked it. I mean, it's gone. Little guy. I got a big pike. It's a big smallmouth, guys.